Director Tony Scott died from multiple blunt force injuries and drowning after jumping from Vincent Thomas Bridge into Los Angeles Harbor, according to an autopsy report. The report, released by the Los Angeles County Coroner Monday, lists Scott's August 19 death as a suicide. The 68-year-old Top Gun director reportedly left messages for friends and loved ones in his car, but none explained his leap from the 185-foot-high bridge. According to the Associated Press, Scott had therapeutic levels of the antidepressant Remeron and the sleep aid Lunesta in his system, according to the report. The release said the coroner's office anticipates that the final report on Scott's death will be released within the next 2 weeks.